Little storyteller.
Barnaby, the fluffy bunny, adjusted his tiny glasses. "Welcome, welcome, toy fans," he whispered. Behind him, Reginald the brave lion nervously straightened his mane. On their little table, a bright red toy car gleamed under the soft light of a desk lamp they'd carefully angled. "Today," Barnaby continued in a slightly louder voice, "we're unboxing this speedy red racer. We found it somewhere very interesting." Reginald gulped and nodded. Flora the wise owl perched on a stack of building blocks, carefully filming with a small toy camera. Her feathery head bobbed as she zoomed in on the car's shiny wheels. Suddenly, the door to the room began to open. Barnaby's ears twitched. "Quick! Hide the camera!" he squeaked. Reginald grabbed the red car, and they all tumbled behind a big, colorful storybook, just as Lily, their owner, peeked in. Lily smiled. "Oh, just my toys," she said, then went back out. The stuffed animals sighed in relief. Barnaby looked at Reginald and Flora. "This is exciting, but also a little sneaky," he whispered, his fluffy brow furrowed. Reginald nodded. "Lily is always so kind to us. Maybe we should tell her about our channel?" Flora hooted in agreement. They realized it would be much more fun to share their adventures. The next day, Barnaby, Reginald, and Flora carefully explained their YouTube channel to Lily. Lily's eyes widened, and then she giggled. "That sounds like fun. Can I help?" she asked, her face beaming. From then on, Lily helped her stuffed animals with their channel. She even helped them find fun new toys and yummy snacks to review. Working together was much more fun than keeping secrets. Sharing their channel with Lily made everyone happy, and they learned that being honest and including your friends always leads to the best adventures.
Please subscribe. Thank you.